Stock number 6227 for sale by Consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a restored, award-winning 1926 Pontiac Series 627 6650 two-door coach. This is the first year Pontiac produced cars, and this one is powered by a 186.5 cubic inch L-head six-cylinder with a 3-speed manual transmission. It has a 1-barrel carburetor, mechanical drum brakes, wood floorboards, and a leaf spring suspension front and rear. This beautiful car has won multiple AACA awards, including the Grand National Senior Trophy. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.